Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're checking out the JCR roof rack for the Jeep XJ. It's a perfect way to add cargo space and a rugged look to your Jeep. First, looking at the build quality, JCR makes a very durable, high quality rack here. This rack is tough, it's very strong, it'll hold a rooftop tent just fine. I also like the fact that it's very low profile, it doesn't sit very far off the roof. I hear no wind noise going down the highway at 65, 70 miles an hour. You can order this rack with an optional 40-inch light bar mount or not. I opted to get it without it. This rack I think will be great to be able to add accessories like max track, shovel, maybe a Pelican box, because it uses the T-slot or the T-nuts for mounting things to it, so you can really get creative on how it is stored on top of that roof. The installation is really easy. Just follow the directions on JCR's website. I'll show you what I did. I had to take a couple parts off my Jeep to make this fit right, take the old roof rack off, but I'll show you some tips and tricks here. But yeah, this is a great product. I hope you enjoyed the video.
Ooh, we might install that today. That is from JCR. Right now, it's a roof rack, you probably guess. But I'm running a Thule. Got the Thule rack on there right now, but I want something that is lower profile, flatter on the top, and something that has T-tracks, or the T-slots. So that's why we opted to go with the JCR. I know I have to move this top rail here, so probably work on that today. To take this off, it's a T25 Torx bit there, and there's a 5 on each side. You just unscrew that and it should pop off. All right, there's some bolts in this one I'll lose. Yeah, I gotta take the bolt out. You okay? Yeah. Not as wide as the other one. So I think I'm gonna put some Teflon on these bolts before I put them in to help keep the water out. I might put some silicone on it after. We'll see. But yeah, top's clean now. Put these bolts back in, and then I can start assembling the rack. Okay, so I got Teflon tape on these. Hopefully that'll keep the water from seeping in there. I don't know what other people did. Not rocket science, just follow the directions on JCR's website. Put it on a blanket and get it set up. I don't have everything tight, it's kind of loose. Next I'll put it on the top of the vehicle. I'm gonna put a moving blanket, and then I'll lift it up there and just slide it over. And then get everything adjusted so the feet are right, and then I'll tighten it all down.